Yo, prolonge me. They wasn't expecting this one, man. Let me testify. Come on. I see kids wildin' out, they pops is out. I see it like a flashback, that empty light. Now in Christ, I finally got my dad back. God was that, he snatched me back. He got me off that fast track of chasing dreams like managed things of power, pleasure, and respect. Taught me that a selfish view never was a healthy view. Here's some help for you who struggle to with living past that. Selfish gain or selfless aim, hey baby, they gon' flash back. Worldly wisdom or scriptures, it ain't but one that has that. Tried it all, whole alone, but found that I was handicapped. Strength and lacked, abused by this world, you can have it back. See, the fact remains, I was changed when I heard his name.
Well, good evening, everybody. I'm excited to announce that we are back on the weekly podcast from Pastor Tom. I hope that you find that these videos that we're doing are informative, maybe a little bit entertaining, but mostly we want to make sure that we communicate with you in whatever way that you are communicated with best. So for those of you who are video people and audio people, we present to you August 17th, the version of the blog Made by Videos by yours truly, Pastor Tom. Quick update, tonight we spent some time as a group in prayer. We spent some time worshiping with music. Mr. Johnson shared a little bit about something that happened recently in his life. Just really good stuff all the way around. And then we broke about 7 o'clock to enter into the sanctuary to be part of Prayer Week, the Wednesday night version. Our youth band did a terrific job, both with the youth leading worship, but also they led the entire church in worship once 7 o'clock started. So we're proud of them. They did a wonderful job. Just an update, this Sunday we've been studying different chapters in the Bible, doing some inductive Bible studying. Well, this weekend we're going to take a break from that because this Sunday is our back to school party. Now it's important to note, parents especially, on the calendar that was sent home and also in the bulletins, it said that it would be at my house from 1 to 3. That is no longer the case as my mother is coming to visit, and so I'm going to be with her in the early part of the afternoon. We are asking that you would note the change. It's not from 1 to 3 at my house. It is now starting at 4 and going until 7 here at the church. So mark that down. It's in a couple of days on Sunday the 21st. The youth back to school party is not at my house from 1 to 3. It is at the church from 4 to 7. So bring some clothes that you're willing to get wet. Wink, wink. Beyond that, we're excited. Starting in September, we'll be having a main event for both groups on Wednesday night and grow group for both groups, minus middle school and high school on Sunday nights. So remember, Wednesday nights from 6 to 8 and Sundays from 5 to 7. Hope to see you there.
No more quiet on set. I'm telling everybody, man, I ain't ashamed to represent. I love him, no one above him. I'll forever worship. Hands to the skies, I show him how much I love him. Sing. Hey, thank you for saving my life. I'm alive with one hand in the sky. I'm looking at the cross with both of my eyes. So I know I was born in sin, but now I'm in Christ. Yes, I'm born to win. That's I know that Jesus lives, and I know He is my King, and that's why I always sing. Jesus, thank you for saving my life. Oh, 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 oh. My life.